So finally, welcome to Oily Skincare series. Hi guys, I'm Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. If you really like me or my videos, make sure you hit the like button under this video. Also subscribe to the channel. Oily skin has a separate set of problems altogether. उनकी स्किन शाइनी हो जाती है, पिंपल्स आने लगते हैं, एक्ने होने लगते हैं, ब्लैक हेड्स इंक्रीज हो जाते हैं. I understand. Do not worry. So I've got you covered in this oily skincare series, and in this video we are going to talk about face cleansers / face washes which are specifically made for oily skin type. Now a general tendency जो कि oily skin वाले लोगों की होती है वो ये कि उन्हें लगता है कि जितना भी अपना face wash कर लेंगे उतना better रहेगा. But guys, no, what you are doing is your skin is habitual of producing excessive sebum and oil. Why? Because it could be a cry of hydration. यानी आपकी skin को hydration चाहिए जो आप उसे नहीं दे रहे हो. So this is like a vicious circle which you have to break at some or the other point. Please avoid overwashing your face, avoid using harsh chemicals and products in your skincare जो आपकी skin पे excessively drying हो. So like if I talk about in general कि oily skin वालों को किस टाइप के ingredients अपने face wash में देखने चाहिए, that could be aloe vera, tea tree, because these are very mild agents जो आपकी स्किन को हाइड्रेटेड रखते हैं. At the same time they cleanse it properly. Basically you should look out for face washes which are rich in ingredients that are mild, which balances the oil production in your skin. It should not leave your skin dry and tight. I know oily skinned people love this feeling. जैसे आप कोई भी excessive harsh face wash यूज करोगे ना, और अगर आपको लगे आपकी स्किन इमीडिएटली क्लीन हो गई है और बहुत टाइट और सडनली सफेद लगने लगी है, गाइज लेट मी टेल यू, उस फेस वॉश में ऐसी कुछ चीजें हैं जो आपकी स्किन को एसेंशियल ऑयल्स को भी क्लीन कर रहे हैं, विच इज रियली बैड इन लॉन्ग रन. What you have to avoid is you have to avoid oil-based cleansers, you have to avoid alcohol-based cleansers, and if you're an acne-prone person with oily skin type, what you could do is you can invest in a face wash which has salicylic acid. What salicylic acid does it goes deeply in your skin pores, it cleanses the pores, and then it makes your skin clean. Let's start with the best face wash for oily skin type. So the very first face wash is Aroma Magic Neem and Tea Tree face wash. This one retails at ₹160, but online हमेशा डिस्काउंट पे मिलेगा. मैं इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. आराम से 100-120 का आपको मिल जाएगा. It is one of the amazing face wash in the affordable range of face wash for oily skin. Now this face wash has neem and tea tree, which both are amazing for controlling the oil and reducing the breakouts. This one is 100% free of paraben and soap, so you can just chill out in that area. Since it has neem and rose extracts, तो दोनों की help से ही it will also help you cure your acne. This face wash will also help you in prevention of blackheads. And if your skin is generally very irritated and red, उस केस में भी आप इस face wash को use कर सकते हैं to soothe your skin to calm out the irritation. This particular face wash helps in lightening the acne scars and blemishes if you have. This could be little drying for people with dry skin, so avoid it altogether. Second one on the list of face wash for oily skin would definitely be Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Now you know my love for plum. So this face wash, again as the name says, it has green tea, और मैंने बोला green tea is great for people with oily skin. So this is like a face wash cum exfoliator. This also has a few beads in it, like cellulose beads, जो gently आपकी skin को exfoliate करती हैं. Since these beads are made up of cellulose, they do not damage your skin while doing the exfoliation part. This is like a mild foaming cleanser which does not remove the moisture, the natural moisture from your skin. ये आपकी skin को अच्छे से clean करता है. It also has glycolic acid. Again, glycolic acid is an ingredient which is great for brightening or clearing up your skin, और आपकी skin को exfoliate करता है mildly by removing the dirt and dead skin cells from your skin. So this face wash has everything which oily skin type people need. Now talking about its price, it retails at ₹345 for 75 ml of quantity. I think this is particularly fine given आपको इतनी सारी चीजें एक face wash में मिल रही हैं. And obviously link नीचे होगा description box में. Now let's talk about a few cons. Cons can only be if you are not a person who likes beads or exfoliation type का thing in your face wash, then you might not like this face wash, so stay away from it. Third one on the list will be this one from Mother Sparsh. This face wash is ultra mild for all skin type, and now talking why am I recommending it for especially the oily skin type people, because it does not strip off the moisture from your skin. It does not disturb the natural moisture balance of your skin. This is again a very mild foaming cleanser which cleanses your skin and gives it a very nice and subtle glow. This face wash again is silicone and paraben free. This one instantly rehydrates and makes your skin feel very plump, and also this face face wash is based on natural ingredients. Now this one retails at 349 for 100 ml of quantity. Make sure you check out the link given in description box below. Now the fourth one is Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. This one is again an amazing face wash for oily skin type people. What this has to offer is that this has glycerin and beeswax. So, amazing ingredients to, balance the moisture on your skin while cleaning it. So this one again is a non-drying formula. This one is oil-free. This one is non-comedogenic. Non-comedogenic means it does not clog your pores. So this is an amazing face wash for oily skin type people. This one removes slightest trace of makeup, dirt, everything. Basically, it cleanses your skin, it does not dry out, so it's a nice one. So using a very minimum quantity of this face wash will clean your skin properly. This face wash, leaves some parts of your face dry. So if you're someone with the normal to combination skin type, then you should definitely avoid this face wash. But if you are a pure oily skin type, then you can definitely use it. Now talking about its price, it retails at 219 for 100 grams of quantity. So yeah, that's about the Neutrogena face cleanser. The last one on the list of best face wash for oily skin has to be from Requil. Now let me read out the name, it's too long. It's Requil Oil Control Anti-Acne Face Wash for Oily, Sensitive and Acne Prone Skin. बिना देखे मैं इसे नहीं पढ़ सकती थी. Now even though it's last on the list and it might sound a little expensive, 450 for 200 ml of quantity, which makes it to close to 225 for 100 ml. Yes, so this one is like really nice and cheaper, but then quantity इसकी ज़्यादा है तो उसका दाम भी ज़्यादा है. This face wash is soap free and sulfate free, which is amazing for oily skin type because again जैसा मैंने बोला और मैं बोलती आ रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, ज्यादा झाग और ज्यादा साबुन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि ऑयल ज्यादा हटेगा, रादर उसका असर उल्टा ही पड़ सकता है, ऑयल ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस होने लगेगा. दिस पर्टिकुलर फेस वॉश फ्रॉम Requil has oil control and moisture balancing properties. So it basically cleanses your pores, unclogs your pores and removes the dirt, especially for the oily skin, acne prone skin and sensitive skin types. This face wash can be really magical for people who are suffering from acne and who have excessive oil coming out of their skin and जिनकी skin actually बहुत shiny लगती है ना, उनके लिए Requil का face wash is just the right thing. Like even if you have normal to combination, and combination is like oily and normal वाला, तो भी आप ये फेस वॉश यूज कर सकते हो. एंड सो वी क्लोज द लिस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट फेस वॉश फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप. सो दैट्स फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड, इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट, मैंने लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हैं, आप वहां से जाके इन्हें ऑनलाइन ले सकते हैं, हमेशा डिस्काउंट पे मिलेंगे. थर्ड, इफ यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू लाइक मी, मेक श्योर यू हिट द लाइक बटन. वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करिए प्लीज. एंड इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल ऑलरेडी, मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब एज वेल. ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग एनी ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैंने इस वीडियो में कवर करे हैं, तो मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे अवेलेबल हूँ. माई हैंडल इज chitranshi.me. आप मुझे वहाँ फॉलो कर सकते हैं और मैसेज कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ एंड दैट इज ऑल. आई विल सी यू अगेन इन द सेकंड वीडियो इन द सीरीज फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you stay tuned. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Till then, bye.